Here we have the classic What Do You Meme game, card game, family game, game night. This version here though, it's for adults. So make sure if you want a family What Do You Meme card game, like the family version, there is one. Just make sure it has the family, one on there. This is actually a pretty fun game. Like I said, this is for adults, so 17 and up, and then 3 to 20 people. It takes about 30 to 90 minutes. If you don't know what a meme is, it tells you right here on the box. It explains to you. I just want to show you what's inside. Here's a little stand. So basically, the big pictures, you're gonna set it on here, and I'll show you right now. One of these, you just set it on the little stand right there. We actually played this with our family. We just made sure we took off all the inappropriate cards, but basically, you're gonna have all these cards here. Each card says something different, and whichever card you put down that has the best situation or whatever verbiage that goes with the meme that is on the little stand, wins and gets the point. So pretty simple, pretty simple game. It can take a while, so it just depends, how many people are playing. But yeah, it's a really fun family game as well. Like I said, we just took off all the bad cards, inappropriate cards, and it was still fun for us. We still used it, and we were still able to play. When we bought it, we didn't know it was an adult version, so that's why I mentioned to you, make sure you buy the family one, because there are some things in here that are only for adults. But it's really fun family game, a friend game as well if you want to play.